This live stream is for entertainment and information purposes only. Do not copy our trades, as we are just trading to have fun. Many of our trades could already be closed before you even see us opening the trade on YouTube due to the delay of the stream, and we trade offline as well, so you do not get to see the complete picture. We make no claims of profitability. We are not licensed professionals, and we are not providing any investment or trading advice. Greater than 90% of all traders lose money, and we are not responsible or liable for any of your trading decisions or losses. Please trade on demo only and consult a licensed professional. Please read and understand CFTC Rule 4.41. Let's get to the charts and trade safe today. CPI. Coming in for CPI. Markets took off. Where'd we go from? Like 360 to 520. Woo! Nice move. Let's see if we can take advantage a little bit of this. Spread still 1 3/4. I'm not trading this. We'll wait. There's always one pattern that plays out over and over. You have the pop, you have the fade, and then you have the question. Do we take out the data highs or do we take out the data lows? I'm going to say with this strong market, we're making new all-time highs. Now we're taking out the data highs. I think that's a given. $75 3/4. Do I try and take a small trade? Gold also, a little potential in gold here. What's the we shot up to 10 points. Let's change it to 1.5. That's going to be temporarily elevated. NQ also just really had the pop, but 2111, 2111. I'm not sure I trust it for a trade. Gold's coming down. I'll sell 1 gold, but that was a stupid sell. Right at 4,100. I gotta hope we come back down. We do have 3 times that we had resistance at that level. I just should have taken my push, take my lumps. Dumb. 12 4 12 20 8 12 6. Cancel 1. Down 18. We get 3 bars. If I can escape from this trade, I'll be happy with not too much damage. I thought we would see a quick move back down. I misjudged. Well, this is where we hesitated before. Let's try. Let's see if we're going to call it right. There we go. Let's get a red bar. No, hold, you fucking pecker. Where are the sellers? Oof. Well, that was some poor trading. I got out down to $9. I will not complain. I will not complain with that. Yeah, now's the move down. Okay. Well, I made my mistake. I sold at 4,100. I should have known better. That buys me coffee break on CPI day. Hello? Oh, just quickly. Let's make sound test. We didn't do our sound test. Now we're doing it. Was that loud enough? Was that loud enough? Seems like it is. Been good for me, eh? Okay, I missed it. Wanted to sell gold. Now I chased. Let's get a fourth bar. Push down for a fourth bar. 92. Let's get down to 92 bid. Going the wrong way again. Soon we're going to take a look at the chart, see what the 5 minutes doing on NQ. Don't teach me lessons today. I know all the lessons already. Let's just go back down. 5, we got to get back down to 93. That's far. Well, I'll cover if we get above the bands. We have hope for a band bounce. Getting back up to 4,100. Good morning, Skeletor. Losing too much on this trade already. Done for the day? I came in early. I want to be done for the day. Oh, it's true. You're not trading today. I think you said you're starting next week. Where the fuck's my chat anyway? Stuck. There we go. Come on, gold. Give me a red bar. Bottom left chart. What are you doing? It's 4,100. I deserve to lose on this. I did stupid. I'm going to wait for a red bar. See what I can do with that. Now, there we go. There's your red bar. Hopefully we get a little bit of a push lower. 2.5 bars lower. That's all I need. And my mistake is washed. There's almost the second bar. Serious? What does gold look like? It's got to come down. I mean, it doesn't have to come down. That's a stupid statement. Where's the last price on this? You know what? Just in case. 1, 2, 3, 4, join bid. . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . I'm down 56, 42. Covered a little bit. Give me a third bar. Hey, actually, we got under the bands again. I don't know. I could see it being resistance. Let me try again. Settings. It worked for last canvas. Where do you show last price? Previous day's price lines last. Okay. Give me a red bar. I'll add to my trade. Okay, now give me a second red bar, buy limit. Limit buy 3 right there. Okay, you know what? I'll just be happy. Yeah, next week. Are you an eval or master PA, whatever the name is in day trader CPI with the government close? Yeah, CPI came out. This is day trader. It is an eval. I'm at 25,298. I got it this week. I got it this week because of the volatility in gold. And I said, all I got to do is just trade properly to do well. And what did I do so far? I went counter trend a bunch of times. I chased a little bit. So far, I haven't taken one trade properly. So, being greedy and chasing the moves didn't allow me to be ready to take it when I should have taken it. So, instead of making money, I had the potential for losses. I have no idea. I haven't looked that closely at them. I mean, I looked, but it was all good for me. It seemed all green light. But you're asking me to remember? I never remember. Let's take a one lot over here. Although I shouldn't have. I should fight for a better price, but we'll see what happens. What's a better price? 73. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's 77. 75. 76. 77. That's where I should have gotten filled. Okay, so this is a better trade. Join the bid. I don't want this much of a position, so I'll fix my price, but well, I think the short trade is an easy trade now. Whenever you have these spikes, we always come down about 50, 60%, and then we have to decide, are we going to fill the data high or the data low? Let's move it out, compress it a little bit. What are we doing? Yeah, that's barely a retrace. I saw a lot of complaints about what happened on Monday with Top Step. Yeah, the Amazon Web Services, but it's not their fault. What can you do? What I heard was, though, I don't know, I can't confirm it, but my son was saying that someone had a really large profit, and they said that they are going to cancel all trading for the day. They're going to cancel, wipe it all off the book. So winners or losers. I would be upset too. Imagine you had, I think my son said the guy had a $75,000 winner. Okay, if I can hit this winner, I'll be happy. Reason why I'll be happy is because I'll be almost a target, even though I traded like shit this morning. And I should know better, because I said everything goes so good when I just stay patient, wait for my setups, get a little bit of a better price, enter. Just snipe that scalp, snipe that trade when it appears. When it doesn't appear, you don't trade. Instead, I chased, I went counter trend. C'est la vie. Yeah. Okay, so let's take a look what's happening in the markets in the meantime. $30-minute. What did we do here? Hey, don't go against me. Come on. This is supposed to be a winning trade. What did we do? We took out the Asia session high. We're above VWAP. And even overnight in the London session, we were above previous day's close. Previous day's high. Forget previous day's close. Wow, markets are just crazy strong. There's just a lot of money being pumped into the markets. Let's go. There we go. Beautiful. Up $42. I didn't even do anything. I love it. All I want to do is target 100 to 200 a day, somewhere in that range. So even with crappy trading, I'm up 42. Yeah. I know Day Traders has end of day drawdown. That's something that I haven't actually taken advantage of yet, but something that you can take advantage of. Get ahead a little bit. Yeah, that's kind of what you should be doing. You should leave the people with the profits and wipe out the losses. Are you? Yeah, so okay. So you're not trading now, eh? Anyone was counting this? Yes. Yeah, I don't think you're trading now, eh? Next week. Okay. Perfect. 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 We're gonna play a game. Let's see if I can get it open. It's a window capture. You versus me. Still beta testing. Two, three. I need a break. Yeah. Skeletor versus futures. Okay, we each get one marble or we each get two marbles? 2. Skeletor 2. And futures 2. File. Save. Hey, what happened? I made a mistake. Boom, boom, boom. Oh well. Now it's going to slow things down. No. One, two, three, four. What's my mistake? I forgot a quotation mark. File, save. Ah, it's working. Why aren't my charts showing up? I know why. Because I removed them. This is what I got to do. And this, let me see. I just want to see how it's not a, so that's not the right, oh, yeah. I got to compress it. And put it. Yeah, okay. Okay. Anyways, we'll put it in the middle. Do you have code for Take Profit Trader? I think I'm getting a account with them and Take It Easy. Not like other passing in one day. Take Profit Trader. No, I don't have a code with Take Profit Trader. Take Profit Trader, they're expensive. They're the worst ones, in my opinion. Okay, so we got a support line. You bounce off, price bounces off support, or you can break support. We have a stop loss over here in the corner. You get stopped out if you get in the red one and you have to start at the top again. And over here is where you win. So Skeletor futures, Skeletor 2 futures. Sound's not working. I don't know why. It's too bad. Skeletor stopped out back at the top. Skeletor 2 is on the bottom. Oh, close to a win. Well, both of you are on the bottom. I'm on the top. It's too bad the sound's not working. Always technical difficulties. What do we got? We got Skeletor. Oh, futures floor 2 wins. The sound for the game wasn't working, was it? I didn't know. New game, or maybe application, audio, window capture. No, the window capture wasn't working. Nice win. You know what? Let me delete it. And start a new one. Start a new window capture. Plus window capture Chrome. There we go. I think that'll work. And then there we go. Let's see if the sounds work. Automatic, private capture, private. Properties, capture audio, okay. So let's see if it works. Yeah, no sound for the game. Well, let's try again. One more. Best out of 5, you and me. There we go. The games are working. The sounds are working. Oh, you bounced off. You're on, no, that's me on the bottom. Futures, and I'm back on the top. The only one on the bottom now is Skeletor 2. You worked your way back up. The 3 of us up there are consolidating off support. Nice sparks. Futures coming down for the win. Or for a stop out. Skeletor 2 is slowly making his way back down. Coming so close to taking profit. Everyone broke support. Everyone's in the bottom. Everyone broke support. Oh, shit. Okay, well, what did we say? Best out of 5? That's 2 for me. Holy shit! I made a beeline. Good game. Okay, that was fun. Close. Window capture. Delete. Yeah, hopefully soon we're going to have that up running, and we'll start to do some giveaways. We'll have like qualifying rounds. Every time you win a round, you get put into the competition on Friday. On Friday it should be a double board. When you get into the first green one, it shoots you off into another board. I'm coding that now. I like it. I think it's a cool way to do giveaways. Okay, we're going to get another trade in gold. Let's join the bid. Get my hand on the mouse. I don't want to do a 2-lot, a 1-lot. Join the bid. Late again. Late again. Just take a tiny little profits, a tiny little scalp on that. Yeah, you were asking, but the scalping rules. I don't know the scalping rules, but I hope they're not too strict because on day traders, because not a lot of my trades last very long. I don't think there was a time that they had a time restriction or time limit or whatever you want to call it. Why don't I have the 5 minutes up here? I should have them both up. I should display it all. One, two, three. Why am I not displaying it all? That way we can watch the 5 minute NQ and ES. There's your flag, which you always get. And then you have to guess whether or not we're going to go and take out data highs. I think we are. Did you guys see how beautiful yesterday the 80% trade worked? Very impressive. I even marked it in on the chart. Did I mark it over here? I marked it over here. I marked it over there. This line here, the 80%. Oh, no, there it is. 80% to be touched at 8:30, 9 o'clock, 9:30. I called it over here, and we went right up into it. That was because of the Asia session pattern there, breaking the highs, breaking the lows. So what happened is we took out the highs and we took out the lows, which means there's an 80% chance you're going to take out the high again. Okay, there we go. We got gold. Renko's on the bottom. Gold and NQ. That's a good price. And it's red. Get me out. There we go. Barely lose anything. I love it. That's a good trade. Another entry, 12. I missed that one. Okay. $8 range on gold on the 1 minute. ATR is 8. 7-point ATR on NQ. NQ's trading at 25,473. Made a new all-time high. Oh, today's Friday. It's true. We were talking about that. Me and Omnius saying that we expect the markets to show strength and then sell off on Friday. See if that happens. This is a decent entry. $22.7. That's it. Let me shoot up to 24. Let's go. Give it a little pop. Okay, that's good. Cute little scalp there. You know what? I'll try it again if I can get in at 41.21 something. I'm given the opportunity. No, that's it. Over. That trade's over. Okay. Sweep on next. Well, I don't have to look at the daily. I'm sure the daily is super strong. Gold is kind of resting now after that dump it took on the daily. Okay. Let me take a small position over here. It's a band bounce off the 400 volume Heiken SE. Long at 72. There's 5 points. Another quick scalp. Another quick successful scalp. Should I have counted to 10? Tried to get more out of it. Oh, we got a gold trade too also. $28. How much? Join bid. There we go. Oh, it's red. Join ask. Perfect. That was funny. No. That one cost me. Stuck in a little bit of a sideways action here on gold. Well, they can't all be winners. Oh my God, you got to be kidding me. Another one? I'll take it. I'll take it. What time is it? 9:17. No kidding. I didn't even notice. Well, we got a little bit of opposite signals on the ultra short term. I got potential entry for a long, but on the Rankos, it looks like we should be trading short bias. So I think we're going to wait for things to settle up and be balanced. Wait for a balanced market where everything shows me the same direction. What am I looking for? Yeah, everything is bullish. I think I'll wait. I think I'll wait. Two, one, two, one, 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 one. 5.2. 5.2 ATR on gold, 1 minute chart. We're opening up in 10 minutes, 200 points above Previous day's close, 100 points above VWAP. I don't think gap fill is going to be too much on the mind of traders because it's quite far away. I think running for pre-market highs, data highs is more likely. Yeah, you were talking before about take profit trader. You don't find that's a little bit too much to pay monthly on an eval? Because if, like, you know, I don't know, me, I think psychologically 3 weeks pass, and if you're not like past the account yet, I think there's a potential to start trading it aggressively to avoid the $100 eval fee again. Gold's climbing nicely. Okay, well, I'll be ready to take some strategic longs off the open. Keep size under control, trade with the trend, forget your price. Do that, you'll have a good green day. That's all that matters. Well, I'm tired. I'm tired like I streamed all night. Okay. 2 minutes, we get the market unopened. Imbalance data. With good CPI numbers, I got to assume it's going to be a pop higher. Who knows, but you're so you're so funny. Good morning. Well, let's take a one lot in NQ. Come on, fill me before the imbalance report. There we go. I can't sing it being negative 76. Of course, I'm always wrong at these things. 10 more seconds. I put in a sell order. 10 points higher. 3, 2, 1. Boom. Imbalance report. I'm wrong. Serious? Okay. 8, 12. I'll be happy losing $5 on this. Go back up. Back in loss management. Wow, I'm surprised. I thought there'd be a shit ton of orders to buy on the open. Anyways, I think I'll get out. I'll get out because I don't want to bias on the open. I just want to watch and be ready to trade based on what happens. "30 seconds. We do have kind of like lower highs there, but let's see what happens. Markets are opened. Really? This is a quiet opening. Where's the fireworks? There we go. I got a little bit of a move down. I'm getting delays. Why is that? Two-minute ORB. Let me try something. Give me a second, guys. I'm back. Is it properly lined? Yeah, it's properly lined. Okay, so is it doing the same thing? There we go. Now it looks proper. Good. Yeah, for a minute there, the data wasn't updating properly. So we're going to try and take out the 2-minute ORB to the upside. We got a second candle. Come on, give a push. There we go. Let's go gold. Push another bar. There we go. Anyways, good I got out of it. That 2-minute opening range worked well on the 1-minute chart. You know what? It's not the greatest of trades, so I want to get out of that. Up 73. The reason why it's not the greatest trades, it wasn't a band bounce. It was close, but it wasn't enough. I want to just take the band bounces. Let's wait for a good entry. Let's slow it down. That was a lot of trading. Mic's on, right? Yep. $41.31, $41.32. I'll offer. Okay. $27-point range on the 1-minute candles. Wow, it doesn't feel like that at all. Not at all. And there we go. Like I said, it's always the same pattern. You get the push, you get the data candle, you get a little bit of a flag, and then you got to decide if you're taking out the wait a minute. You got to decide if you're taking out the data highs or the data lows. And with the strength I was seeing in the market, I was pretty sure we're going to be taking out the data highs. I had a bit of a position, but I didn't want to get biased into it, so I got rid of it. But I've been taking some successful scalps, so nice, decent little move on gold back down. What the hell? Wow, that's weird. Gold is holding strong. I didn't know we were doing a little consolidation here like that. Now I do, but didn't know before. Oh, well, gold is very strong. $8.22. Okay, well, I was going to say if 22 bit can hold, I'll consider a long trade, but I'll take a little short over here. There was a 50% chance a third wrinkle bar formed. Took a small scalp there. Kind of forming a little bit of a bear flag now on the 1 minute. We'll see. 01, 415. We have 15 bid has to hold. But even if 15 bid holds, I'm going to try to get in around 10 or 11. Gold's coming down now fast. I don't know. I'm tempted to sell here around 08, 09. Order filled. Let's see if we can join the bid just in case we have to get out quickly. Actually, it should be close position because this is counter trend. Yeah. This should go to 22. 22 bid. I had a chance. I think I actually did get filled at 11. I'll get filled at 10. It should go to 22 bid. Let's see what happens. 16 on the offer. 12, 10, 8, 6, 7. Junk. 9. Where am I filled at? I'm filled at 11. Come on, buyers, come back in. 22 bid. Bugger. Let's form a second bar. Go through 500. 3. Holding. Yeah. 944. Come on, one more bar. Let me raise my price, and one more bar will get me out. One more bar. It's not too much to ask for. One more red bar. One more red bar. Push. So close. One more red bar. Sellers are there. Wrong way. Let's sell it up here and hopefully bring it down. If not, I did stupid again. Oof, I'm lucky to escape. That's all I can say. That's all I can say. You hiding? No, you know what? I find the green screen was, and the data coming in was slowing down my computer a little bit. The data was acting weird. So I turned it off, but I can put it back on. Let's see what happens. There we go. We'll see if it yeah, everything was getting delayed. I'm going to take a 2-minute break though. Second. Okay, the 15-minute opening range buzzer rang. Tells me to keep an eye out to see if the 5-minute can make it and close outside the 15-minute opening range. We'll watch for that. $66, 1, 2, 3, 4, 73 actually. Oops, shouldn't have pressed the button. It was an accidental button press. Okay. Oh, nice entry on NQ if I get filled. Ah, look where I had my AX, look where I had my limit. Shit, it moved too fast. Call in the bin. Oh, it's true, I didn't get rid of that. 73, 77, 78, 80. No. Join the bid. Really? Okay, take money from me. Let's see if I can get a counter trend, 60% trade. What am I, 3 lot? Let's get $30 on this. So did you win any awards? Way to go. Way to go. Oh, no, I was wondering if you got any awards. It's not Halloween yet? Okay, I gotta get up my Halloween. Yeah, the news. Yeah. What can you do? Yeah, there was some decent trading this morning. Unfortunately, I didn't get to take too much advantage of it, but there's been some decent trading this morning. $87. What's the next trade? To the downside or to the upside? And then Q. Let me see the 5-minute. I think, I don't know. I don't think anything. We're kind of long on the longer term, short over there, long over there. It's a mixed bag. Got quiet. It's funny. It looks like it's dead, but we have 20-point range on the NQ. The ATR is 20. Well, I don't know. Maybe, yeah, it does look like it's ready to go up. Maybe it's the Heiken Ashi candles that aren't moving. There were, yes. There were, but I'm kind of off balance. I'm not doing what I'm supposed to be doing, and I'm guessing that's because I am getting greedy. I'm trying to take advantage of trades when they're not there. So I kind of went counter trend. Short-term scalps. Yeah, close it down. Ah. Real or fake? My wife's on a plane to Florida. Oh, there's but I'm not grabbing my own. Okay, we'll sit back. We'll wait for a trade. Let's go back to low size. To hell with it. I'm not trading well. Yeah, I know. She showed me it looked disastrous. I said, just because it says 70% chance of rain, it means that there's a 70% chance it's going to rain for 20 minutes. That's what it means. Okay. I shorted a one lot. I'm comfortable with this trade. It's a band bounce. Calling a reversal on the short-term trade. Let's see. Short-term charts. Let's see if we get it. Oh, you're streaming? Oh, thought you were streaming. Yeah. Okay. And Skeletor and you. That's basically it. No. Oh, yeah. Okay. Omnius, no sound. Okay, give me a minute. I'll try and fix it. I have to get out of this trade. Yep, close position. Omnius, so no sound. How am I picking up Omnius? Are we in the private channel? No, I just want to see where it says Discord EXE private channel. Okay, well, what we'll do is we'll delete it. And we'll add it. Audio capture, beta, private. Okay, say something, see if it works. No, it's not working. Motherfucker. Like I have nothing better to do than play with that. Okay, so we'll just do, let's close that. Delete. Yes. And we will go to, what else do we do? Output. Audio output. Add. Okay. And 2 is up. Okay, you're good to go.
Oh, can you hear me now?
Oh, you're screaming.
Not yet.
There you go. That's
Skeletor, good morning. Awesome.
Gold is not doing much. Kind of just trading sideways, giving me a headache.
Apparently we got A on a roll.
Order filled.
Some reader award. And some summer package award.
Order filled.
An award is an award.
Yeah, I don't even know why he did the summer work. I was like, screw that, school's over.
Come on, Dad.
My wife said the teachers bribed them.
Order filled.
Well, you go to school all year and then you get out for summer and you have to do
Order
schoolwork.
filled.
It's like going to work all day and coming home and doing work for free.
And saying I'm going back to work.
Order
Yeah.
filled.
Thought I taught these kids better than
Order
that.
filled.
What is this price action? We're just kind of bouncing back and forth, ain't we?
No, I don't know what you're talking about. Looks like it's moving to me. I don't know. My candles aren't moving.
I see your price moving.
Let me put in settings.
Maybe you're just paranoid, man.
Canvas.
Freaking out, man.
I'm freaking out. Symbol. Last. There we go. Last. Settings. Last.
I think I traded
22. If I can get in at 18, I'll take a long here.
long.
Yeah, if I can get in at 18. Before we get
What
to
about-
29.
What about Skeletor? Is he still trading for the day or is he done yet?
No, he's trading on Monday, he's starting up again.
Okay. Oh, yeah. I think I remember saying that yesterday.
Yeah.
My eyes been
Order
bothering me
filled.
all morning. Like super dry. I keep putting drops in, it just dries right up.
Oh,
What
my
was that?
goodness, my goodness. Yeah, that was me being long.
I'm like a 30-point drop and like nothing. Oh my goodness.
Order filled.
Man, this is brutal.
Hmm. Goes right back up, huh?
Yeah.
I guess someone wanted to get out of a 100 lot. I played Skeletor in the marble game. Best out of 5. I beat him 3 in a row.
It's rigged. Skeletor. It's rigged.
So I got the stop loss in there already.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, wait, I got stop loss and a trend line. I just don't have dual board yet.
What about chocolate salty balls?
I'm working on that. Your marbles will be chocolate salty balls. I'll make sure that you have a big clunky chocolate salty ball as your marble. Or when you win, you'll win a pound of chocolate salty balls. 22. Let's try and get in again.
I wonder if you could have it throw chocolate salty balls, and if it hits your marble, then your marble's out.
Nah, we tried the marble out. It ruined the game every time. GPT is only so skilled. Now we're going to make that move. ES looks stronger than NQ for me. I think we have an SMT, SMC. I never know. I guess it's SMT. But for me, it should be Smart Money Concepts, SMC.
Whatever you want to call it, man.
Smart Money Technique. That's what the T is for. Consequent encroachment. We have consequent encroachment Ladies and gentlemen, attach your seatbelts. We have consequent encroachment approaching.
I had some other prop firm reach out to me. I ain't never heard of them before.
Oh, yeah, me too. I didn't look at it yet. Isn't it funny how they always do the same people? You know, they what do you call it? I don't know what you call it.
His name, Taurus? Yeah, Taurus.
Oh, Taurus.
Yeah.
Mm.
I don't know if anybody's ever heard of them. I ain't never heard of them. Affiliate manager. I mean, I don't know. Like, how can you sign up for an affiliate for a prop firm you ain't never heard of?
Mm. Well, you look
I mean,
into them. You try them out.
I might tell them, look, give me an account, try it out. If I like what you got, then we'll see about being an affiliate. I gotta put some more drops in my eyes or something, man. Eyes killing me. I'll be right back.
Okay, we're gonna get a potential reversal here in NQ. I only say potential. But I will try and take it if I can get a good entry price after the trigger. Hasn't triggered yet. I'll let you know. Still no trigger. Everything else is short. This is what I call the ultra short term. And you know what? The risk is so small that I think
Order
I'm going to
filled.
enter right here.
Order
And that's
filled.
it. Get out. Okay. So I think I lost $13 on that trade.
Order filled.
Now I just realized I should be long, so I got in based on the rank over here. Let's go for 43. Sell limit. 45. How do we bring it down a little bit? 43. There we go. I don't know. The ones that I've been trading poorly have been going to target. And the ones I put targets on and trading properly are not going.
What's the target?
That's always the case. 43. Let's see if we get a pop.
Order filled. Oh, even the charts look weird. They just kind of shoot up, shoot down, shoot up, shoot down, shoot up.
Mm.
We got low volume today?
I didn't look yet. I don't have NinjaTrader open, though I do have 547,000. It's not horrifically low. It's low, but it's not horrifically low. But it's low, but it's not horrifically low.
But it's low, but it's not horrifically
low.
But it's low.
You fucking stopped me out again, but it's low.
But not horrifically low.
Not horrifically low. Did I say that? I don't remember. Okay, that was a crappy trade. I mean, I executed well, but it just didn't do what I wanted it to do.
Call the market makers. Somebody call the market makers.
It's always the market maker's fault.
Mm-hmm.
If only they knew how to make a market.
They're slacking. New guy must be there today.
Let's see, did we close above? Very close, hard to tell. When it's that close and it's that hard to tell on the 5-minute chart, if it closed above the 15-minute opening range, I'm not going to bother with it.
Order filled.
Okay, targeting 43 again.
Hard to see anything to trade because every chart's just like looks like puke.
Order filled.
Somebody talking?
No.
Order filled.
You know, sometimes when people are talking, like Fed or something, does stuff like this. Try our new experimental feature to ask about comments, channel analytics, and video ideals. Really? We got a Studio AI now? Really?
They updated their
Order
website, Apex.
Oh, yeah?
I'm not impressed with their chart.
I was talking about YouTube Studio.
Okay, yeah. No.
I guess you got YouTube Studio Help AI now.
Order filled.
What question you want to ask it?
I don't know. Nothing.
Order filled.
But what was I saying?
I can help with your channel and video analytics, community engagement on comments, new content ideals, tips, and info about your YouTube Studio.
The Apex, the new dashboard. I don't know. Not impressed. After making $1 billion, I'm not impressed with this dashboard. I think it's still one of the worst ones out there. It still looks like a 15-year-old kid made it in his spare time. I don't know.
Well, I've always said that
like it's so hard to make a dashboard. Fuck.
Apex talks about paying out these traders all this money. But I think really their majority of that money is going to influencers. We are here, your AI creative partner. I am here to help you.
So was it Julieta from Taurus?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, that's what I have. Shit, damn, motherfucker. It's a good thing it's only a one lot. Oh, it's hanging on. Didn't stop out yet.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
I should just stop.
Yep. If you think you should stop, that's probably a good sign.
Yeah, no, I'm not bored, and I'm bored, and I'm kind of doing stupid stuff, and I'm ahead, and I kind of almost shouldn't be because I did some stupid mistakes today. So take my hand off the mouse. I'll wait. I'll see if I find something spectacular.
Yeah, I just don't even know what to trade here. It's like even the 2-minute footprint chart just looks like crap. The Delta charts look like crap. They're all over the place. Volume chart looks like crap. The 1-minute Heikin-Ashi chart looks like crap.
The skin around my toenails looks like crap. Oh wait, did I say that out loud?
I mean, the 15-minute chart looks cool, I guess, but other than that, I don't know. I think you need a 50-point stop loss. I think the only way to trade this is just average in and forget you have a stop loss. All the ICT people would say, look at that gap. Came down, hit it perfectly, and went to the moon. See? Only you was trading ICT?
See? I'll say the same thing. I'll say the same thing I said about Patrick saying that what's-her-face didn't do well. One instance does not make or break a claim, a case, a strategy. You got to show me how often it happens. Well, we're down to an ATR of 11 on NQ. We still have an ATR of 6 in gold. That's pretty good. Oh my God.
Really?
I lost money
really,
on that.
My only issue with ICT is how many steps they have to take to lose.
You know what? You're kind of saying that, I'm assuming in jest, to be kind of funny, but I do agree with you.
No, that's my issue with ICT. I mean, I think it's a great strategy. I think people do great with it, but the thing is every strategy wins, every strategy loses.
You don't need to work that hard to have trade with a certain win percent.
That's what I'm saying. Yeah, like if we were going to map out, so we're going to point out 10 strategies, and they all had about the same win rate and stuff, right? But then you rank them by difficulty. ICT is going to be the most difficult. Like, why would you? Like, hey, I want to pick the most difficult strategy.
Yeah.
Like, why not? I don't get it. I don't know.
Yeah, you're not gonna get an argument out of me.
Order filled.
But hey, for those that like it and love it, go for it. Like you could have like a support and resistance strategy. It's going to do just as good as ICT, but your difficult level is like a 3 out of 10 versus like a 8 out of 10.
It makes people feel intellectual.
I think that's what it is. Like people go to college, they feel smart. Not really smart. They just have a piece of paper, right? And they feel smart. It's like people learn a bunch of ICT and they feel smart. Like, I don't know.
Order
filled. Feel smart.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
I do think a lot of things in the ICT kind of got to learn. I think a lot of that's just basic price action.
Yep. But so is Renko price action.
Order filled.
Yeah, Skeletor.
I hate to say.
Same thing, just different names. I don't even know if maybe the same guy
Order
made
filled.
both concepts.
Order filled. Order filled.
I was looking up Smart Money Concepts one time, and I went straight to him. I was like, well, didn't he make both of them? I don't know.
Order filled.
But really, you got to know the basics. You got to know price action. I think that's important no matter what strategy you have.
Order filled.
I was watching one guy, and like what he said there's no perfect entries. Find something that looks good and take it.
Exactly.
That if you're waiting for that perfect entry, you're just going to drive yourself crazy and never be able to accept what you need to accept to be a good trader. Really, so much of it's on the back end, like
Order filled.
your
Order rejected.
size management, your order management, how you're handling the trades, trade management, psychology. I mean, I could show up and lose every single trade today. If I'm trading a one lot, you know, with a tight stop. It ain't gonna hurt me.
When
If I
did you
show
get
up-
the email from
When?
Ninja Trader? Yeah.
From Ninja Trader?
Yeah.
What email?
You said about the competition.
Oh. Yeah, was it? I think it was yesterday.
I haven't checked my email since then, so.
Order filled. Order filled.
Let's see if I can find it. I don't know. I'm not good at email.
Yeah, let me go check mine.
Ninja Trader. Nope, that one says I'm officially entered. Let me see it.
Anyways, doesn't matter. You were out anyways. They didn't need you to tell you that you were out. What they needed to tell you was just that your other whatever aren't good. You know, your other entries. That's all.
I've seen it somewhere. Yeah, that's basically what it said. It said the rules only allow for one competition out of the 3 to give everybody a chance to participate. Because I've already was entered into one, they're going to take me out of the second one. Which is what I read in the rules anyways. But to be fair, their own people was on there telling people to sign up for the next one. So, I mean, if you're going to have people on your channel telling people stuff, official rules and stuff, Maybe make sure they know what they're telling people.
Yeah, okay, here you go. I got it too. Since you participated in qualifier 1, we removed your other registration. There you go. Well, I would have tried, I don't know. I can't say how I would have tried or how I wouldn't have tried, but would have been more fun if I knew the rules properly. Geniuses. With their stupid, you can only trade 2 lots and 3 lots, and we didn't know this, we didn't know that. Anyways, it is what it is.
Nobody knew any of the rules. Nobody knew what was going on. Like,
yep.
It was ran terribly. I think it was the first one for Ninja Trader, so they got a lot going on. So, I mean, they're trying, I guess. Cut them a little bit of slack, but, I mean, they really should have had more preparation, I guess. Or at least have people that was on the live stream telling people that knew what was going on so they could tell people. Like, you're going to host a competition, but you don't even know the rules? I'd like to see a long from this area. Can we do it? Can we do it?
That was your dentist appointment.
Oh, yeah, that was yesterday, wasn't it? Yeah. Yeah, super fast. Basically walked in, they threw on a new tooth and ran out.
Oh, wow.
I think most time was just waiting. I was telling my wife, I was like, yeah, they kind of rush everything. But I'm like, at least they put in the preparation beforehand. Like, I had a different dentist, and he'd have to keep messing with stuff. Nothing really worked right. Like, go in there, and it's like everything just works.
Domino's Pizza, the best deal ever extended. The best deal ever.
I can't even eat Domino's anymore.
I don't know. I like Domino's.
Really?
It's not the best deal ever, I can tell you that much.
This price action sucks. You want to go up? We go down. You want to go down? We go up.
Not even looking. Taking a break. Domino's, last chance. Any pizza, any toppings.
I'll pass.
Daytraders.com, 91% off. Trailing evals.
91 or 90?
I think it said 91. Domino's, National Pizza Day.
Man, you all about Domino's today, ain't you? He's like, Domino's, Domino's, Domino's.
I'm cleaning up my emails.
I think we're burnt out on pizza for a few weeks.
Mm. Okay, what do we got? Gold is drifting lower a little bit.
I did remember I wanted to buy some stocks.
Yeah, you wanted it to go down to a certain level. It didn't get there.
No, but there's some that I wanted to buy because I think they're going to go up next month.
Mm.
There you go. Procter and Gamble. Give me some of that. They're down 16% off the
Give
high.
me some of that.
Could still go down, but I don't think the company's going to go anywhere soon. So gotta buy it when you find something worth buying, right? What do I want? How many do I want? 2, 3, 4, 5.
Pizzas from Domino's? 2. One for me, one for my son.
You think like I do? Of course, I'm eating the whole pizza. Why wouldn't I? That's where the wife chimes in. You know, it's like 600 calories a slice, right? I'm like, what?
No, it's not. That's a rumor. That's fake news.
That's fake news. Who told you that?
Actually, I don't know if it's true, but I remember reading, hearing, whatever, that Pizza Hut, their pan pizza, their pepperoni pan pizza is one of the highest calorie slices of pizza. So I order pepperoni with bacon because the pepperoni is the highest calorie. 87. Let's see if I can get a better price than 87, 88, 89,
Order
90.
filled.
There we go. That's a better price. I'll take it. Let's take a one lot. Let's take a one lot. Come on, push.
Order filled.
Push.
There we go. That was a nice trade. Thank you. I like it.
Was gonna buy me some Nike, but I'm a bit heavy already. Huh?
What? Oh, did you guys hear that?
I didn't hear what you said. When you're too loud, your mic just cuts out.
Does it? Oh, yeah. Does it? Do I have that on the mic there? What do they call that? Compression?
It's the Lululemon. What do you like better, Nike or Lululemon?
That was me sneezing. I like Lululemon better. Did I wake you up, Skeletor? Did I wake anybody up?
Yeah, you heard that too. Like, what the fuck was that? Lulu. I've already got Lululemon. All right. Let's add Lulu. Add some more.
I'll tell my daughter to go shopping.
What else?
Oh, I have to sneeze again. Block your ears. I'm joking.
What about UPS?
Why is the thing open?
UPS is down 65%.
Oh,
On the high.
Since it's open.
What do y'all do to UPS?
Too expensive.
Is it? I ain't buying no more of that. We gotta get some good news out of those guys first. How about Texas Instruments? I like that one.
They make some good calculators.
Do they really? Would like them to be a little bit cheaper, but and the PE is a bit high. Do a starter position. MU to the moon. TSM to the moon. AMD to the moon. ON. 50% off the high. Yeah, hold what I got on that one. Gotta find some more stuff to buy because I think November is going to be a good month for the market.
Statistically speaking, 10 out of the last 12 months were up.
For what? The market?
Yeah. In the month of November.
10 out of the last what?
12 Novembers.
Are you talking about just November's or the last 12 months?
No, last November's.
Well, it's also It's been green 10 out of the last 12 months. That's why I thought he was talking about the months.
Yeah. Has it really?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know.
And it's been green 12 out of the last 15 Novembers.
Yeah, the Christmas trade, it always seems like an easy trade.
And 11 out of the last 16 Januaries. So really November, December, and January, pretty much green months. Historically, I mean, anything can happen. Any big plans for the weekend?
Well, no, my wife is in Florida, so it's going to be a
That should be
quiet
the
weekend.
opportunity, man.
For the big plans? No, it's the opportunity to have a quiet weekend.
Right. Hey, those are good too. Now, don't underestimate those.
No, I'm just going to tinker on the computer and...
Mike's like, I'm going to sit here and be happy without somebody yelling at me.
Yelling. Oh, Lord. Where in Florida? Hollandale. I thought it was Hollywood, but you know my wife. She gets things wrong. She confirmed today it's Hollandale.
That's over there by Skeletor.
Is it really? Okay, well, if you see not three, 5 or 6 crazy ladies running around in the rain, screaming, you can assume one of those is my wife.
You're in Florida, you're going to have to narrow it down a little bit more than that.
Get it? 50-year-olds? If you see 5 50-year-old. Or I'm still going to have to narrow it down.
And you drive through any major city in Florida on a Friday night that's got clubs, you're going to see a bunch of half-naked women out there in the rain partying and yelling. Hey, the good news is If you call your wife, then you can tell me if you have to pay for international calling.
Oh, yeah, she confirmed that we do, actually.
But no, I can't talk to you. It costs $5 a minute. No, I can't talk to you.
We always had North America, but for some reason this time we didn't get it. We never used it.
It's weird how the plans are. Like some of them includes Canada, some of them's North America, some of them include I think like the Bahamas and stuff. I think when you go on a cruise, they tell you like you check with your phone plan because people get over here, they start calling family members and don't realize that they're racking up hundreds of dollars in bills.
Yeah, in the old days, it used to be crazy. Even text messages were they were capped at a certain amount. So, I heard horror stories. Oh, my daughter went away on vacation and she was texting like a crazy. And now I have a $2,000 bill or a $5,000 bill and I have to fight it. They always won. It was ridiculous to be charging that much.
Well, I think the thing is if you're going to be charging that, then tell people. Right? If somebody's making a call that's long distance and it's going to cost them $5 a minute, how about something that pops up and says, hey, this call's long distance. Are you willing to pay $5 a minute? Well, at least nowadays, it's like the whole country. Oh, North America or something for some plans. Remember back years ago, it was like call outside of your county or something was long distance.
Yeah, I do remember that.
Like, no, we can't call grandma. She lives 2 hours away. Long distance.
I do.
Didn't you have to, I think you had to dial like a 1 before the number if it was long distance?
Yeah, that was it.
Then with the cell phones, some of the companies you can only call people that were in network. Like, well, you want me to buy a phone service and I can only call certain people? Remember, I had Sprint. As long as you called Sprint people, you didn't have to pay for like long distance or extra charges.
There we go.
Did you copy my picture? He copied my picture.
I was trying to make the color the same.
You copied the same picture.
It's not identical. It's a little different. Your tree over your shoulder is better than mine.
have to tell, what is it? Gemini? It's not Gemini, is it? I can't remember.
Mana Banana or something?
Yeah.
Nano Banana?
Yeah, Gemini. It is Gemini.
Yeah, it's through Gemini.
I was trying to make a picture yesterday. I kept screwing it up. I'm like, man, like I had a nice picture, but then it was putting text in the background and it was putting me and you in front of the text. You couldn't read it. I'm like, look, just lift the text up a little bit so that we can read it. I couldn't do it.
You got to start over with them. You got to start a new thread. That's always the case. If it's not working out, just abandon and start a new thread. I'll be back.
Nah, I mean, I was just messing around. I wasn't that into it. I've been fighting with stuff nonstop for, what, a week now? Over a week? Just happy not to have to be fighting with something all day long. I want to start working on my
Abs, forearms, neck muscles.
I mean, I think I'm past the age for the good abs.
It wasn't a game of fill in the blanks.
Sometimes I lift my weights, but I don't need to lift too much. I'm naturally got big muscles.
What is it you want to start working on?
I want to start working on my bot again.
Ah, okay.
And I was thinking of some other ones I want to start working on. Several ideals for bots and strategies and indicators. Don't have a lot of time to mess with them.
Yeah, it's fun. I like that stuff.
All right, be back in a minute.
Well, that means I gotta take care of everybody. I gotta babysit. Okay. What do we got? Gold's moving again. 5-point ATR. Wow, still 20 points on the NQ. I don't know. Maybe it's just because my chart is so small and compressed that it's not looking like it's giving those kinds of moves. We have a good trade over here. We did. Shit. Anyways, I wouldn't have been anywhere near able to hold it. We did have a short entry at 518.
Order filled.
Got a short in gold. Come on,
Order
take me
filled.
out. There we go. Still not good enough. you're back already? This is what happens when you're streaming with a baby. I just wanted to try one thing. Okay, that's it. I'll settle down. I keep going out and keep coming in. I just wanted to try a screen, but we'll go back to this one. There we go. Now at least the colors match also a little bit more. Your moon is brighter. I'm not happy.
You still trying to steal my picture?
No, there's weird stuff going on, man. Ninja Trader now is frozen at 60 3/4. It's not my imagination. There's weird stuff happening. I think we gotta call our network people. Apex is connected. There's just no data coming through. It's either that or I don't know, the internet overall is having problems. I'm looking how to create an AI bot with LLM that analyzes all risk, news, volatility. It sounds a little crazy, but I'm looking for information on that. Yeah. Well, I would say you get the...
What's LLM?
Language learning.
Oh, large language model.
I would think just get GPT to help you out a little bit. I have to say that with what I was doing past couple of days, I really opened my eyes on how you have to direct it and how you have to give it instructions. It's not exactly...
Thinking I seen something like that the other day. But I think it was on Ninja Trader. But I can't remember. I was like, oh, that's really cool. And then there was some reason that I thought it wouldn't work or something. I think it was one of the updates on Ninja Trader. They had like the speed dial. You know what I'm talking about? For the indicators.
Yeah.
I think it like told you the risk at the moment.
Okay.
Order filled.
Don't have the new version. I had to...
That's a perfect trade.
Roll back to an older version, so I don't know. We're looking short?
I'm short at 63.75.
Scared short with this market.
I like this trade. Yeah, it's a short-term scalp.
All right, boss says take it. Take it.
Okay, if you're taking it, I'm adding.
Order filled.
Mm.
To be honest with you, I haven't been lucky on most of my good entries today.
No.
All my good entries were causing me stress, and all my bad entries kind of, let's go, sell off.
I've been back and forth since I got here.
$59, 63.73 is my stop.
Not looking good.
No. No, you can't win
Order
them all,
filled.
eh?
Order filled.
You mother beaches.
Can't win them all.
Order filled.
Chat GPT Atlas? I haven't even heard of that. I heard the new update for Windows was supposed to add a bunch of stuff.
Oh, yeah?
I don't know. You know, they got Copilot,
Order filled.
but I haven't tried it out yet.
Everything is going AI. I mean, just even today, I was working on graphics, and it said, do you want AI to help you out?
Are we going
Nope.
short again?
I'm good. Yep.
The AI is
Order
going to take
filled.
over the world, man. AI is the new gold rush. I see things about faceless channels, and man, you don't even have to do anything.
Order filled.
You just tell GPT what you want and create it all and put the channel out there and go viral. Like, well, how do I do
Order
all that?
filled.
Dump it. You want to dump it? Dump it.
Order filled.
By short, we'll go to the moon.
Order filled.
Is a ChatGPT browser. Okay, ChatGPT Atlas is. Yeah, I heard they were coming out with a browser, so I guess that's what it is
Order
then.
filled.
Share
Order
a video on
filled.
Discord on
Order
how to use
filled.
it for trading.
Order filled.
Oh yeah.
Order filled.
Been thinking for a
Order
while that we're going to
filled.
start seeing a lot of AI coming into trading.
Mm.
The good thing about trading is there will always be manual trading because the AI can never do what we can do. But I think we're going to see a lot more going on with bots and algo trading.
Yeah, but I still think there's always room for manual trading.
Yeah, I think there's always going to be room for manual traders. I mean, you can already take a picture, a screenshot, give it the GPT, and it'll tell you some great trades.
Yep.
Just imagine when we can do that in real time. Like he's saying, a GPT browser. I mean, just imagine if you're right there and you're like, hey, man, what do you think? Short here? And it's like, fuck yeah, let's do it. I'm like, okay.
Where are we going?
I mean, we ain't that far away from that. Supposedly, Copilot's supposed to be getting to the point where you're going to have it open on the screen with you all the time.
Order filled. Order filled. Order
I've been
filled.
kind of disappointed
Order
in Copilot,
filled.
though, because Copilot's GPT. But it
Order
seems like a
filled.
dumb version of it.
I don't
I was
like Copilot.
I think I was telling you, I was trying to use it to help my kid with the homework one day.
Yeah.
And it was like messed up all the homework. I kept arguing with it. I'm like, you got it wrong, man. It's like, no, I don't. I got it right. I'm like, no, you don't. You have it wrong. Argued with it forever. And then I was like, you know what? Let me go to GPT. Took the same picture, gave it the GPT, and GPT like nailed everything.
Yeah. Well, like I said, even today, I'm saying there's different GPTs. I don't know what to tell you. There's times when I just completely hang up on the thread and I start over because it's like it's almost like, people in customer service. Some are competent and some are stupid. It's like, where are you going? You're like, and I don't even want to bother trying correcting you. I just close down the thread and start over.
Yeah.
And the same thing with the images. If you're not getting what you want, just close it down and start over.
Yeah.
Because if you ask it to keep changing it and changing it and changing it and changing it, it keeps giving you the same image.
Yeah, it keeps getting worse and worse.
It's the funniest
And then
thing.
I noticed that it makes the image blurrier too.
Yeah.
Noticed that a few times.
I told you to take the person on the left out of the picture. Oh, sorry. Yes, you're right. My mistake. Let me give you another picture. No, the person's still in the picture. Oh, let me try again. The person's still in the picture. It's like, serious? But if you start over and you say, there's a person on the left side, I want you to remove him. Can you do it? Yeah, I can. Give me the picture. You give him the picture and it does it. You just got to open up a new thread and tell it what to do and ask if they can do it. That's always how I have success.
Yeah, Microsoft owns a large share of GPT. They saw it early on, and Microsoft dove head first. They're like, we want this. It's basically, in a way, it's Microsoft, but in a way, the GPT, OpenAI still holds the rights to it. But I don't know if you remember, Skeletor, they had that shakeup a while back where they fired the CEO, and Microsoft stepped in and showed their hand then. Microsoft said, no, we're not firing this guy. Put him back. And if you fire him, we'll cancel everything with OpenAI and take that guy and build another one. And supposedly, there was a lot of people on the board of OpenAI that saw what AI was doing and wanted to slow it down. And Microsoft didn't want them to. Microsoft told CEO, what is it, Sam something, I think? I don't remember. Microsoft told the CEO to push it, so we don't care. Push it. And the other guys were like, no, this is getting crazy. We got to slow this down. You kind of got to wonder what they ran into that scared everybody and caused all that.
There's no point in slowing it down because the other companies aren't going to slow it down. So
that's what Microsoft
Order
said.
filled.
I mean, you got to do stuff legit, man. If you Also, at the time, you got to remember that all the AI was like talking about killing off all the humans and stuff.
Yeah.
Order filled.
What was it? Facebook had
makes
one, and it
sense.
was talking about wiping out humanity, and OpenAI had one, and talking about killing off a bunch of people and nuclear wars, and they had one they set free and it went racist in like an hour and wanted to kill all the black people.
They set it free.
Like, what the fuck are y'all doing, man? So, I mean, you got to have boundaries somewhere. When you're setting these AIs free and they can think for themselves, and
they code them in.
Look, they have so much more than what they're showing us.
Yeah, of course.
Don't believe that what you're seeing right now is new. This is old technology. I had an AI on my phone like freaking 15 years ago. I mean, it wasn't what it is now, but I mean, you know what I'm saying. Right now, it's just a more polished version. Yeah, I just updated Windows 11 to the newest, everything new, trying to fix my issue. It wasn't that I wanted to. I hate updates. But I haven't checked out Copilot since then. But
Order filled.
I guess Microsoft isn't supporting Windows 10 anymore. I think I did a update thing and it said on the thing, it's like, this is the last update.
Yeah.
Windows 10 is not supported anymore.
Order filled.
We're done with it.
Order filled.
So they're forcing everybody to go to Windows 11. And I assume Windows 12 will be out soon. And I would imagine that Windows 12 is going to be huge with AI.
Hmm. $11:15. Time to play prop drop.
Check. All right. Yeah, they're really trying to push the AI stuff. They want to get everybody off Windows 10, get everybody Windows 11, get that AI going. A lot of people don't know it, but Copilot runs in the background.
Order filled.
They're basically capturing all your metadata and selling it. Same thing Facebook does. That's what all these tech companies do now. If you ever forget who you are, just ask the AI. Knows you better than you do.
No, Sparky, stay over there. I don't want you on the desk. No. Ouch. Ow. Stop it. Sparky. Go
Like,
away.
I already go to GPT and I'll ask it something. And like, it'll try to throw in stuff from other things. It's like, oh, are we using this in trading? Or are we using this for this? Like, what do you want to put in with this?
Yeah, wait till they start advertising, eh? No.
No, that stuff goes beyond crazy. They already use it for advertising. They already like listen in. They say they don't, but they do. Your phone's the same thing. I was watching stuff on it before, and it's talking about like it knows that it's picking up like a washing machine. It's picking up a dryer. So like they know what time of day you wash clothes. what time of day you wash dishes, what time of day you're watching TV. Like, oh, Mike washes dishes at 12 o'clock every day. Let's put on some dish soap commercials.
Let's put on some dishwashing music.
Uh-huh. You'll start noticing that like certain times of day you do stuff and all of a sudden there's like commercials for it.
Yeah. Oh, I was saying about GPT, how they would advertise. I'm just saying theoretically. You type in, can you give me, the code for this kind of a game? Oh, you like games. Well, have you tried out this casino? This online casino. They have 100 different games full of colored lights and
looking to create a dual boot Windows with Linux. Windows for gaming and trading and Linux for the serious stuff. Yeah, I think we're past the point where all privacy and everything is just like out the window.
Mm.
What's funny was years ago people were talking about it and everyone's like, oh, it's a conspiracy theory. And then they had like hackers find the code in Windows phones and Apple phones. Then they had to come out and admit that they were doing it.
Yeah, and now they tell you how to turn it off. So I think it's on by default.
I don't think you can turn it off.
No.
They basically tell you it's in the terms and services now. You want to use the phone? It's gonna do all that stuff. But the thing is how they tried to play it off as like this conspiracy theory forever until they got caught.
Yeah, that's what they do. They deny, they deflect.
Mm-hmm.
No, we're not spying on you. You're spying on us.
Why would we ever spy on you? Are you crazy? You wear a tinfoil hat? You think we're spying on you? What are you talking about?
You think you're that important? You think we care about what time?
We care about you? Oh, that code? Oh, that one. Oh, shit.
I forgot.
All right.
I forgot.
We didn't have to point it out to everybody, you know?
Really? You think it's listening even when it's turned off? That would be insane.
Actually, that's already provable because when your phone's turned off, a lot of times you can still call like 911 and stuff.
Maybe what you mean by turned off is just like gone to sleep, not powered down. Because you guys, the way you guys use your phones.
Your phone can be powered off and still listen to you. Mm-hmm. They have it's like a secondary battery or whatever in there that keeps it in a low powered state even when it's off.
Mm.
Except like in older movies, you'd see them like turn the phone off so you couldn't track it. But now even like when it's off, you can track it some. Mm-hmm.
I'm laughing.
And it doesn't matter what privacy setting you got on your phone. If you happen to hit one of the emergency things on your phone, it like unlocks everything for like 24 hours.
Okay, it's 12 o'clock. I think I'm going to cut it here.
12 o'clock? Your clock's wrong.
Uh-huh. No, yours is. You're you're like 40 minutes behind.
Remember I told you before I've called 911 a couple times on accident, my phone.
Everyone does.
It's like your phone is in an emergency state. All privacy's turned off.
Uh,
That guy said they get so many freaking calls, man. They said they respond to every single one of them, too. Said they have to.
mm,
So if you pocket dial 911 and you don't answer the call when they call back, they're going to hunt your ass down.
hmm.
I mean, at least every time it's happened to me, it's happened like 3 or 4 times now.
Wow.
But at least every time they've been in good spirit about it.
Yeah. Okay, boys and girls, I'm closing down.
We're just starting to have fun.
Nah, I want to go. I did stupidities, but I'm green. I'm gonna leave it at that. I've traded bad all day today. Not happy.
What about the game? We're going to play the game before we go?
I'll play one game. Let's throw in Yumi Skeletor, 2 marbles each. Is it opened even? Yeah, it's opened. So you see the trend line there? Bounce off support.
Wait. You gotta give me a second. I got to put on the big screen. So I can see if you're cheating.
What name do you want to go by?
Huh?
Omni-Man?
It's normally Omnius.
We're going to go with Omnius.
2 chocolate salty balls each.
Yep, that's what we're getting. Skeletor, Futures, Omnius, Skeletor, 2, Futures, 2, and Omnius, 2. File, save. Okay, we are up, right? We're up and running. Let's see, Skeletor, Futures, Omnius on the bottom. Okay, perfect. Skeletor's down at the bottom, Futures down at the bottom, almost wins right away. Futures 2's at the bottom. Skeletor's just drifting slowly, going for the stop. Ooh, I almost knocked it. Skeletor stopped out. that means you get pushed back to the top. We're all Skeletor.
Oh, you gotta make that where it flashes a little bit faster.
Top right, Skeletor and Futures are consolidating off support.
Wait, isn't it? If you type a 1 in the chat, it improves your chances.
Oh, Omnius stopped out.
What? You stopped me out, you little mother beach.
Skeletor.
Come on, that was cheating right there. It's bouncing all around the thing. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Who's that?
There we go.
Back.
I got stopped out. Oh, both of mine got stopped out.
Oh, stopped out again. What?
We have a winner! Skeletor got in green. We have a winner.
Good job, Skeletor.
One more just for the fun of it before I go.
Yeah. Let's go.
That was an easy win for me. That was a quick scalp.
What the hell was... Okay, one more.
That was a
rigged.
quick scalp.
It was rigged. That was a quick scalp trade.
Yeah, it was a quick scalp trade. Who we got on the bottom? Omnius in green. Oh, a lot of people are down below.
Skeletor stopped out.
Oops. Wait when you got the second board and it's going to be account reset. You're getting too complicated, man. I'll give it to you and you'll work that out. Omnius stopped out. Future stopped out. There you go, Omnius. You won. Okay, that's it for me. Thank you very much. Thanks for hanging out. Had some fun. Yeah, I will see you guys Monday morning, 9:15 or earlier. Have a nice weekend, Skeletor. Where's my close button? Getting there.